What's up? Welcome to Mirchi Kanch. Today in this video, I will cover top niches of YouTube or Instagram to go viral in upcoming days, or you can say in 2025. So let's start our video. So guys, whether it's Instagram or even earlier, if you start with any one of these niches and follow the points I have covered in this video, nothing can stop you from going viral. Before I talk about these niches, there are two important points that every creator must understand, regardless of the social media platform they are working on. Important points for creators. Step 1. Find your right interest. This means you should select a category based on your own interest, not just because someone else is doing gaming. So you should too. Start in the field where you have an interest, because your mind will naturally think more about it, and that's where unique content is created. You will never run out of content in that field. So think about where is your interest lies and start from there. Number 2. Make valuable content. This means providing value to your audience. Like on my channel, I teach tips and tricks. When viewers learn something from my videos, they get value. Creating valuable content ensures your audience finds something useful in your videos. Follow these 2 points in any niche, whether it's new or existing. Here are the top 3 viral niches ideas. Number 1. Famous character or celebrity AI models. Create funny videos using AI models of famous characters or celebrities. For example, a person created AI models of Ronaldo and Messi to make funny reels and got around 1 million followers on this page with just 41 posts. Use your real voice for these videos to avoid monetization problems. Number 2. Normal hacks and tips with AI character. Create a permanent normal AI character model and use it to share app settings or important news that can benefit everyone. A person completed 1 million followers with just 188 posts. Using this method, use your real voice for better results. And number 3. Explain every AI tool. Review different AI tools weekly, explaining how they can solve problems or make tasks easier. For example, a person has nearly 500k followers with just 97 posts. By reviewing AI tools, this can also lead to brand promotions and significant earnings. Remember to use your real voice in videos to avoid issues with reused content or strikes. If you need tutorial videos for any niche, you can search on YouTube for more information.